Cue card.
Describe a place away from your home and you want to visit in the future. You should say where you would like to go, when you would like to go, who you want to go with, and explain why you want to visit the place.
I have lived in Punjab all my life, and because Punjab doesn't have a coastline, I have never been to any beach. So, in the future, I want to visit the beautiful beaches of Goa. Goa is about 2,000 kilometers from Punjab. The best time to visit Goa is during the winters, as summers are very hot and sweltering, making it impossible to enjoy. Therefore, I would like to go there in December or January. Moreover, many people in Goa are Christians, and Christmas is celebrated with a lot of pomp and show there. If I go around December 25th, I would get to take part in the Christmas festivities as well. I want to visit it with my whole family, including my parents and my sister. I have heard a lot about Goa from my friends and family. It has some of the most beautiful beaches in India. Additionally, as it was under Portuguese occupation for a long time, it has a very unique culture. Another reason I want to visit Goa is to experience the beautiful churches and forts. The churches have a unique Indo-Portuguese architecture that is not found in any other part of India. It's not well known, but Goa also has one of the largest numbers of hill forts in the country. Many people hike to the top of the forts on foot and then come down. My parents have promised me that they will book our tickets if I secure good bands in the IELTS. So hopefully, I will be able to visit it this winter.
Part 3. Where do people love to go on vacations?
It really depends on people and the season. For example, during winters, people like to visit beaches and coastal towns to get a respite from the cold temperatures, while in summers, people visit hill stations to get relief from the sun. Young people are more likely to visit places with good nightlife and entertainment facilities, whereas older people prefer to visit religious places.
How does tourism lead to cultural exchange?
When tourists visit any place, they come to know about the local culture by mingling and communicating with locals, and local people also come to know about foreign culture by interacting with tourists.